Apps you don't need. I'm gonna talk about apps. Those in the bottom, you probably can recognize a couple of them, and why you don't need them. But first, we're gonna talk about Oskar Schindler. Oskar Schindler saved a lot of Jewish people by pretending to be a Nazi. That's the point. If he would just go and stay and say, I like Jews, they would have killed him. So instead, what he did, he pretended to be a Nazi in order to save the Jews. That's cool. What's the lesson here? Is that using the evil to stop the evil is okay. Now let's talk about those two motherfuckers. On the left there, the evil genius here, the evil motherfucker, is Bill Gates. He's the one who created, the proprietary software. Before him, most software was kind of, knowledge-based thingy. It was like shared between people. People could see the source code, change stuff if they wanted to. They had control over what the computer is doing. His idea was, screw the people, I want money. The other guy on the right, Richard Stallman. This guy, as soon as, Microsoft and Apple and others started doing their bullshit, he started the free software movement. Free is not as in like free beer, but is in like give people freedom to do whatever they want with the software. So freedom software, free software. It's usually now free as well as in beer, like gratis, but that wasn't the intention. Some free software is still paid for, like Ardor. It's not the point. The idea is, one side says, I want to have so much money that I don't know where to spend it, so I'm going to give it away. The other one says, give people freedom to do whatever they want with their computer. Right? What is this? This is a platform to watch videos, YouTube, right? This is a screenshot of YouTube. You don't need YouTube. What you need is platform to upload videos to, platform to get paid for your videos, platform to watch videos, platform to like, to subscribe to somebody, and to maybe a bell icon. Why not Odysee? Does it have an ability to upload videos? Yes. Does it have the ability to get paid for them? Yes, and even more than on YouTube. On YouTube you have like a little bit centy there, centy here. On Odysee you can actually make a lot of money. Can you watch videos there? Of course you can. Can you like them? Yes you can. Can you subscribe to channels? Yes you can. Do you have a bell icon? Yes you have. So why not Odysee? Look how beautiful this is. Motherfucking beautiful. This is pretty. This is much more better. And look at this. In the corner there you see 642.34. This is how much money I made in like 2 months in LBC coins. Just by, doing stuff. What is this? Does anybody know what is this? I had to Google, I had to search for this image. I'm not using Google. I had to search for this image in order to get the image here, because I'm not using this kind of stupid thing. This is Facebook. I know why people use it still, but, a lot of people gone from this, but some people are not. Let's talk about this. You don't need Facebook. What you need is to share things, to see what other people share, to talk to people, to have groups. How about Mastodon? Can you share things? Yes, you can. See what other people share? Yes, you can. Talk to people? Yes, you can. Groups? Kind of. It's kind of beyond groups in Mastodon. But if you'll see, you'll get what I mean. This is how it looks. So much better, so much prettier. It's kind of a little bit more like Twitter, but Twitter is another bullshit. Mastodon, cool, free software, no bullshit. What is this? What is this? What is this proprietary bullshit that I'm looking at? And all of those apps until now are all like free as in gratis, but they're not free as in freedom. You cannot, do whatever the fuck you want with them, because you don't have the source code. You don't have the permission to edit the source code, even if you have the source code. So this one, you don't need Discord. What you need is group chat, group calls, various servers for various things, right? That's what you need. Why not Rocket.chat? Do you have group chat? Yes, you have. Do you have group calls? Yes, you have. Do you have various service for various things? Yes, you have. For example, this is Blender.chat. It's a Rocket.chat like group server for Blender people, and you can see they're like commenting a bunch of stuff. It's very active, and it looks almost the same. Like, and you have calls and everything. Why do you need the proprietary bullshit? What is this? What the fuck is this? You don't need WhatsApp. What you need is messages, calls, groups, and search people by their phone numbers. Why not Telegram then? Do you have messages? Yes, you have. Do you have calls? Yes, you have. Do you have groups? Yes, you have. Can you search people by their phone number? Of course you have. Look how beautiful Telegram is compared to the other one. And you can much more, you can customize it much more. It's free software. I mean, you can freaking do whatever the fuck you want with it. If you want to delete a button, the source code is yours completely. What is this? Look how terribly bored and feeling bad all those people are because they're using this proprietary bullshit called Zoom. You don't need Zoom. What you need is video conference. Many people at once in the call. Easy to share links to the conference. Text chat. Why not Jitsi? Video conference? Yes, you have. Many people at once? Yes, you have. Easy to share link? Yes. Text chat? Yes. Look how delightful they are that they are using Jitsi. Look, everybody's smiling. Everybody's happy using Jitsi because it's free software, because they like it, because they are feeling in control. Not like those in Zoom that were like all frowny and tired and I don't want to use this anymore. What is this bullshit? What is this? That's fucking Photoshop, and you don't need Photoshop. What you need is edit images, have layers, you have brushes, filters. Why not Krita? Actually, on this one I was kind of thinking about maybe adding GIMP, because usually people recommend GIMP as an alternative to Photoshop. I think Krita is better in terms of like if you are doing, you know, like art related things, because Krita is more for artists. GIMP is more for, you know, image manipulation things, but you know, both of them can be used interchangeably. So Krita or GIMP. Can you edit images in both of them? Yes. Do you have layers in both of them? Yes. Do you have brushes in both of them? Yes. All kinds of settings. In Krita there is more stuff for brushes, so if you are actually drawing and stuff, Krita is way better. Do you have filters and stuff? Yes. Look how beautiful this is. This is stuff drawn in Krita. Tubs and things, and yeah, it's basically Photoshop. But free software. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. You are in control. You have the source code. This is way better. What is this? Actually, I was looking for a good screenshot of this program and I couldn't find it. So this was like the best one. So you don't need Maya or 3ds Max or whatever, Adobe Cinema 4D or anything like this. And if you know what's the name of the channel, you probably know where I'm going for. What you need is 3D modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, rendering. Why not Blender? Really? You have 3D modeling, you have texturing, rigging, animation, and rendering. And look how beautiful this is. It's way more beautiful. It's like, I'm just happy to look at like the picture compared to the Maya one. Like the Maya looks like shit. This looks good. You never need an app. This is like a thing. What you need is, maybe you need a function. Think about this. You never need a particular app. You need to do something with a particular app. You need to do something, and for this you need some app to do this job. Some apps are subjugating your freedoms. Non-free software, proprietary, Bill Gates-ish. Why not use free software instead? What is this? You know where I'm going for with this, right? You don't need Windows. What you need is an operating system. Why not GNU Linux instead? GNU Linux is not an operating system. It's operating systems, because it's free software. Everybody can take the system in whatever direction they want. Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Pop OS, Pure OS, Triskel OS, OpenSUSE or whatever the hell, Debian, Arch Linux, Kali Linux, Tails Linux, Manjaro, yeah, whatever. You have a bunch of them. You have like thousands of them. Every single one of them is a fork of the same thing because it's free software. Everybody can do this. If you want, you can fork it and make your own distribution of any piece of software that I recommended here, because it's free software. Let's come back to Oskar Schindler. And what we learned: using the evil to stop the evil is okay. This is okay. That's why share it whatever you want, or wherever you can. Share it. If you want to share it on Facebook, because to tell people to go away from Facebook within Facebook, it's kind of a good thing, you know? You post a thing saying, get the fuck away from here. That's nice. Post a video on YouTube that says, get the fuck away from YouTube. That's a good thing. So that's why I'm recommending you to share this wherever you want, wherever you can. But don't use those things after. Bye-bye, motherfuckers. Happy hacking.